show you a little bit of my outside decor that I had put together for fall. My garden that I just created with my daughter that we've been doing in my courtyard is getting a little unkept and I need to take care of it. So I thought, hey, this would be fun to bring you out and show you what I've done. So here's my front door. I have the same theme going on that I had inside. And I really like the sign. It's so cute. I actually found the wreath and the sign from Big Lots. And then I added some mums in the pot, which I found at Walmart. And then the welcome mat matches also. It's so pretty. I found this at Bill's Outlet. Everything looks great. It comes together. Basically, this is my little courtyard that I have been creating with my daughter. We want to make a little secret garden over here. It's been raining a lot, so everything has just gotten to be a mess. And I had this little bird bath that we put here that's so dirty, so I just got to come out here and fix some things up. I did get some petunias here. They smell so beautiful. They've got the beautiful fragrance. So beautiful. I want to bring some more pink roses in here. My daughter and I have so many more ideas for our secret garden. After watching the Secret Garden movie, we saw the old ones from Hallmark. They're so beautiful. We love it. It's our favorite movie, it's favorite book. And after watching that, we got inspired to be able to create this little space just for us and our family. And hopefully when I show you again our update, I'll have some more beautiful flowers to show, some more vines and some more beautiful foliage, because this is a time in Arizona that it's a great time to have our flowers and our plants because it's not so hot anymore. As you can see, I had some flowers that we bought and we were going to plant some of these and I never got to, so we still need to. The rain got to these, so they got a little bit too much water. We have some periwinkles here and these are really taking off. This needs some watering. This is a beautiful plant that has purple flowers. It is supposed to climb up the wall here. I love this little cutie we found for our secret garden, this little hedgehog. My daughter loves this. We found this, I think, at Big Lots. It's so cute. A lot of these pots are really old. I mean, I've had these for years. I just keep changing them out. And then these stepping stones right here, I've had these since my daughter was a baby. And I just love those because it reminds me of her. So there's a lot of good memories I like to keep. So we do have some beautiful marigolds. This is my daughter's. She actually wanted this and bought this. And we're putting these all over. And some areas with some prayers that I want to make this into a prayer garden. Some water trickling down and just have a really peaceful space out here. And my husband did finish this bench. I don't know if you saw my video a while back. About 2 years ago, we were painting this furniture. And so we decided to move this bench from the back to the front and make sure that it has this beautiful space here, and it fits perfectly here. I love it. Lately, because the nights have been really cool, we've been able to come out here and sit and enjoy. So thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, make sure you to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I look forward to seeing you again in my next video.